Good morning, students. Our today's topic is special cleaning program. We are going to learn about how to clean stainless steel. Stainless steels are highly corrosion resistant. However, stainless steel applications can be remain at risk to surface damage, oxidation, corrosion, rusting, or staining can occur over the long term in harsh environments without routine cleaning and maintenance. All stainless steel contains at least 10.5% chromium by weight. It is this chromium content that creates a shield called the passive layer, which protects stainless steel from corrosion until other steels. The higher the chromium content, the greater the corrosion resistance. Stainless steel rustings occur when the passive layer is damaged and there is not enough chromium for it to reform. Stainless steel applications require regular cleaning and maintenance to protect from oxidation, corrosion, rusting, and staining. Causes of stainless steel corrosion. Chromium can protect stainless steel if the localized concentration is 12% or higher. Anything reducing to localized chromium concentration below the 12% threshold will cause staining or rusting. Common causes of stainless steel corrosion includes chlorides, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acids, iron or carbon steel contact, and high temperatures. The corrosion resistance and other useful properties of stainless steel are enhanced by increasing the chromium content by the addition of other elements such as molybdenum, nickel, or nitrogen. Handling stainless steel. The service life of stainless steel can be extended by preventing contact with corrosion substances. Follow best practices when working with stainless steel. Always wear clean gloves. Always use stainless steel tools and components. Avoid any contact with carbon steels or iron. Do not weld, cut, drill, or grind carbon steel near stainless steel. Avoid contact with concentrated detergents. Avoid contacts with chloride solutions. Do not use steel or wool and or other abrasive scrubbing pads. Routine stainless steel cleaning. Stainless steel must be cleaned regularly to preserve the metal's integrity and maintain a crystalline appearance. With proper care and by selecting an appropriate grade, stainless steel can be saved from corrosion. Routine cleaning tips to be performed every 6 months. Use a soft nylon brush to remove accumulated dirt. Wash with mild soap or detergent. Follow with a clean water rinse. Wipe dry with a dry cloth, disposable wipe or air blow. Extending stainless steel's lifespan. Proper routine care and specialized cleaning for more serious problems can extend stainless steel's lifespan and ensure that applications operate smoothly. Although stainless steel's built-in chromium content works to guard against corrosion, relying on this alone is not sufficient. Exposure of chemical solutions, weathering, salt, or mechanical damage all contribute to the need of routine treatment. Passivation procedures and correct cleaning methods help stainless steel continue to shine as for one of today's most versatile materials in the commercial and industrial world. What does tarnish mean? This is a thin layer of corrosion that forms when metals like copper react with the air. This layer forms over jewels surfaces because of the chemical reactions. It looks dull, thus it removes the shine and luster. It's going to develop a gray or black film, thus creating a coating. Cleaning agents used in housekeeping. Chemicals used for cleaning are very vital when it comes to cleaning a healthy and neat environment. Not only do they help our homes, offices, hospitals, and schools glitter and look fresh, they also help in preventing various kinds of diseases from spreading all around us. Types of cleaning agents used in housekeeping. Carpet cleaners. This type of cleaning agent is mainly used for removing dirt, dust, and germs from the carpet effectively. They can also be used for eliminating tough smells from the carpet. Floor cleaners. These chemical compounds are mainly used for cleaning floor surfaces. They are much stronger than those used for cleaning carpets. Metal cleaners. These are usually contains abrasives like alumina, dichotomous, earth, silicous, chalk, and so on. They may mainly used for removing dirt from faucets, stainless steel sinks, and several kinds of silverware. Dishwashing chemicals. There are two different categories of dishwashing agents, the manual and the automatic type. They are formulated for washing dishes. You can use them to get rid of dirt from bowls, plates, etc. within a very short time. Drain cleaners. These cleaners agents are very effective for use at home. They are also good when it comes to removing tough odors. They are very toxic and must be used with caution. Oven cleaners. Oven cleaners are also some of the very toxic cleaning agents. That means you may have to use them as instructed on the procedure level. Multipurpose cleaners. This type of cleaners chemical compounds that effectively remove tough stains like paints, fats, and oils. They are also contain skin protective compounds, disinfectants, colorants, and perfumes for dealing with tough smells. Toilet cleaners. Toilet cleaners contain disinfectants, perfumes, and other things that help to clean and remove germs and door from toilet. Tough toilet cleaners are very toxic. There is a proper way to use them. Laundry agents. These are cleaning agents that are specially formulated for removing dust, dirt, and smell from clothes, bedding, etc. Thank you.